Alright, so if you want your videos to perform better on social media, captions are a must. But typing them manually takes a lot of time. With Dola AI, you can automatically generate captions in seconds. So in 2026, let's go step by step and do it the easy way. First, open Dola AI and go to the video editor. Upload your video or open an existing project. Find the captions or subtitle tool and click Auto Captions. Select the language of your video. Click Generate and let the AI convert speech into text. Review the captions and fix any mistakes. Customize font, color, and style. Add highlights or animation if you want. Preview your video to check timing. Finally, export your video with captions included. So yeah, that's how to auto-generate captions with Dola AI in 2026. Fast, simple, and perfect for social media.